Hey guys, I'm glad to be back again. So welcome to my channel. This is Learn French with Queen. If this is the first time you're tuning in, this is a platform where we learn French in an amazing way because we create helpful content to help us learn French in the easy way, not so voluminous, not so cumbersome. So we learn it gradually on this platform, and if that is what you're looking for, yes, you're on the right channel. So do well to like and share my videos if you find them useful, and don't forget to subscribe for those who are new, and for those who have subscribed, I say a big thank you. Let's keep the community moving. So in my last video we looked at the nasal consonant, and today we'll be looking at the semi consonant. So like I said in my previous video where we were learning the French vowels, I said we have three categories of those French vowels, which include the oral vowels, the nasal vowels, and the semi vowels. So I explained to us that the semi-vowel actually means a little bit of vowel, a little bit of consonant. So I decided to make it up together in this video. So it's the same thing we are having with the semi-consonants. It's basically the same thing with the semi-vowel, less semi-vowel, and less semi-consonant. They are the same thing. So we'll be learning that today on this channel. So let's start. So in French language, these are the three basic semi-consonant, or you can call them the semi-vowels as well. We have the W, Y, and the G, but the sound they give in words, the W, which is the W, give the sound wa in words, the Y gives the sound oui, and the G gives the sound y. So let's look at it in words like coiffer. Kwafoer. So while it is being transcribed, you can see the W, the W there in the transcription. Coiffer, coiffer, coiffeur. So let's continue. We have it in words like voila, voila. We can see it in our transcribed format. In our transcription, we have the W there already, which is the W. Voila, 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 which means that's it, like voila, that's it. So let's continue. We have produit, produit, which actually means a product, like something that was produced, produit. We have puis, which actually means then, but can be used in different contexts for different things. But we can just say then. So puis, can we see it in our transcribed format? Puis, oui. So let's move to the next one. We have the y, which is the G. Like in our French alphabet, the J gives the sound G, like the G. We have it in words like maquiller, which means a makeup artist. The maquilleur. Can we see it? Can we see our G while we transcribe? So let's continue. We have it in words like travail. Can we see it here as well? Travail. So these are the basic semi-consonants and semi-vowels that we have in French language. Okay, so it's this simple, and I hope you find this useful if you are not conversant with the semi-vowels or the semi-consonants in French language. So do well to like and share this video if you find it useful, and don't forget as well to keep this community going by subscribing. See you in my next one.